Hi, boys and girls. It's Mrs. Tyson. I hope you're all doing well. I hope you're staying safe, staying physically active, eating well, sleeping well, and continuing to learn at home. I miss you all. I miss working with all of you, but it's really important to stay safe right now. And so I'm going to need to teach you reading and math from home. And so I've created some video lessons for you to watch. All of my lessons are accessible through Schoolology. And if you go onto Schoolology and you click on the link that says click here to learn, you can access all of my daily lessons. If you click on the pictures on the right, you'll see the videos of me teaching the lessons to you. So I hope that you'll all do this. Know that I'm here for you. You can email me anytime you have questions. If you want to talk to me, I'm available on Fridays from 1 to 2. If you email me and schedule a time with me, I could talk to you either over the phone or we can do a video conference together. I miss you, and I hope to talk to you soon. Bye, boys and girls.